791. The whole exercise has been done. It's all done. 76 have been added. And this is just one community. There are many like this.
So one more thing.
For 1 week. And the time they shall be stayed with the MP order.
Look, just one more thing I want to.
Hearing the next.
No, I understand, but just one more thing on the state. On the state.
If you are willing, we will direct the High Court decide the matter within a stipulated period. Till then, the status quo shall be maintained, and the matter will be heard by the bench, not consisting of the learned judges.
If your lordships are giving a status quo, we have no problem with that.
No, what?
The proceedings would proceed.
No status.
No, we are not. There's no contempt which has been pressed. In fact, it's been adjourned. There's just one other thing I wanted to show. Just before on this.
Against us now. There's a contempt matter pending.
1 minute.
Within 7 days of
The counter of the commission. The counter of the commission in this very proceeding, the present proceeding, 1341 it starts. At 1346 minutes. Just volume 4 minutes. Just have a look.
Volume 4. Yes, volume 4.
Volume 4. 1341.
proceeding, commission has not filed any affidavit.
They have filed minutes 1341. There's a reply affidavit filed by that. 1341 at 1346 minutes.
Section 316, 1341.
Saying what?
My lord, have that para G. Subsequent to the filing of the said SLP in or about October, November 20. Para G minutes.
G at 1346.
346.
Yes.
Now, subsequent to the filing of the said SLP and in or about October, November 24, the Commission received a series of correct representations and applications from various communities and groups, including 113 classes, addition of which were set aside by the judgment dated so-and-so for the reasons contained therein, and 4 new communities. Through the sets fresh applications, concerned classes sought inclusion in the state list of backward classes, primarily on the grounds of socio-economic practices, etc., etc. Then, please come straight away to 1354.
1354, para R.
Para R. Thereafter, the 461st meeting of the commission held on such and such a day.
Para.
R, my lords, at 1354.
1354.
Yes.
Now, the members of methodology of survey, my lords, are there.
Yes.
The members of the commission deliberated upon the methodology of the survey proposed by so-and-so and so-and-so. It was discussed and agreed that survey is opposed to a census and the two cannot be mixed up. A survey on its own means general consideration of something, appraisal. This can be done by competent statisticians or agencies opposed to a census, which is only done by the Registrar General. 93 Act also does not envisage a census or survey of the whole population for the inclusion of classes in the state list of OBCs. There will also be an absurd and unworkable proposition that every time the commission is considering inclusion or over-inclusion, exclusion of one or multiple classes, it has to embark on a survey of the whole population of the entire state. An exercise so large as a scale could only be done logistically in a census by the central government. In fact, conducting a full-scale census would not only involve exorbitant financial costs, but may also delay timely policy intervention. On the contrary, a survey allows focused data collection and is administratively feasible and also economically prudent. Having regard to this, the Commission resolved to conduct the survey using the Cochrane's method for sample size determination of the whole population, which is a universally accepted statistical method. Please read this with 597, which I read out, my lords. They don't do a survey at all. They give, my lords.
They do the survey, that's what they say. They are given the methodology.
They have not, my lords. They have just, my lords, simply taken.
Issue notice. In the meantime, there shall be stayed with the MP order.
Well, then we can continue with our promotions and everything.
We are saying that there shall be stayed with the MP order.
Well, let it be heard by I would suggest.
We don't know, otherwise I have to assign it to some other bench.
Because
Once we start with the reference.
Mother, what happens is, mother, they move in contempt now, mother. That's
When they come, we have said their order now.
order.
We have said the order. No. If you are willing, come with the proposition, we'll.
If your lordships are asking the Honorable High Court, requesting the High Court to not consider the matter and decide within a certain time,
yes.
And in the meantime, status quo will maintain.
In the meantime, we don't want whatever is there. If the Commission has followed some methodology, which may be correct or not correct, that will be decided by the High Court finally.
But if your lordships stay the order and then they will just make all.
Yes, and we'll stay the order. Prima facie, the order is totally, patently erroneous. Thank you. Next matter.
Deeply observed.
You want to mention the matter? We'll request the High Court to decide it within 6 weeks, 8 weeks. We'll request the Chief Justice to constitute a special bench, except the learned judge who is presiding.
Because my lords have heard it in a bit, my lord. We'll argue, we'll attempt to
Argue it,
convince
but
before my
we don't know when it will come up.
Next week,
Because otherwise I don't know.
next week.
next returnable 1 week.
Once the presidential reference starts, then we don't know when.
That's really, but now that we have heard that, my lords have heard us at some length, we'll argue.
With this argument, I think even the first order will go.
Lords, we are sure, my lords, we'll be able to convince my lords to agree with us.
Let us see who convinces whom.
Your lordship could keep it on a Friday, need not be on a weekday.
No, Fridays are not for such matters. Business Tribunal has already gone out of the
This
court.
matter after notice. I'm saying this would be after notice, you know.
Yes, it will be after, it will be on either Monday or Tuesday. Yes,
On a Monday or Friday or something like that.
not Fridays. Fridays are not for.
Sorry. Sorry.
Very well.
So Monday may not, Monday week or
2 हफ्ते के बाद Monday को रहते हैं.
Very well.
lordship, grateful. Liberty to file a small counter.
Yes, whatever you want to fight.
My lords, in item 14, we are led by Lord at SG. If the matter may be please.
Learned SG.
Yes,
For whom?
for the Union of India.
Item number 14.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, not touchy about somebody who was killed 2 dacoits.
Yes,
If you want the learned SG to come, but it will be dismissed with cause.
your lordship.
Now, if it is dismissed,
Your lordship, there's
don't make ego